In today's fast-paced work environment, juggling multiple projects, deadlines, and teams can feel like a chaotic circus act. This is where robust project management software steps into the spotlight, offering structure, clarity, and a much-needed sense of control. Among the myriad of options available, Wrike stands out as a comprehensive platform packed with features designed to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and ultimately drive project success. As a seasoned project management professional, I've had the opportunity to explore and utilize various tools, and Wrike consistently impresses with its versatility and depth. It's more than just a task list. It's a dynamic workspace that adapts to different project methodologies and team structures. Let's delve into the key features that make Wrike a powerful asset for any team striving for efficient project execution. Centralized task management, the foundation of organization. At its core, Wrike provides a robust system for managing tasks. This goes beyond simple to-do lists, offering a granular level of control over every aspect of a project's building blocks. Task creation and assignment. Creating tasks is intuitive, allowing for detailed descriptions, due dates, assignees, and even the attachment of relevant files directly to the task. This ensures everyone knows exactly what needs to be done by whom and when. Subtasks and dependencies. Complex projects often involve layers of interconnected activities. Wrike allows you to break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable subtasks. Furthermore, you can establish dependencies between tasks, ensuring that work flows logically and that subsequent tasks only begin once their predecessors are complete. This prevents bottlenecks and keeps the project timeline on track. Customizable workflows and statuses. Every project has its own life cycle. Wrike understands this and allows you to create custom workflows that mirror your team's processes. You can define specific statuses for tasks, e.g., to do, in progress, review, completed, and visually track their progression through the project lifecycle. This provides instant visibility into the overall project health. Prioritization and tags. Effective project management requires focusing on what matters most. Wrike enables you to prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Additionally, you can utilize tags to categorize tasks based on various criteria, such as project phase, department, or type of work. This makes it easier to filter and analyze tasks based on specific needs. Enhanced collaboration, bridging the communication gap. Successful projects thrive on seamless communication and collaboration. Wrike offers a suite of features designed to keep everyone on the same page and foster a productive team environment. Real-time discussions. Each task and project in Wrike has its own dedicated discussion thread. This allows team members to ask questions, provide updates, and share feedback directly within the context of the work at hand, eliminating the need for endless email chains and ensuring that all relevant communication is centralized. File sharing and version control. Sharing documents, images, and other project-related files is effortless within Wrike. The platform also often incorporates version control features, ensuring that everyone is working with the latest iteration of a file and that previous versions are easily accessible if needed. Collaborative editing, depending on integrations. While Wrike itself might not have built-in collaborative editing for all document types, it often integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft Office 365, allowing for real-time co-editing of documents directly within the Wrike interface. Mentions and notifications. To ensure that the right people are informed at the right time, Wrike allows you to @mention team members in discussions or task updates. This triggers notifications, bringing their attention to specific items that require their input or action. Customizable notification settings allow users to tailor the alerts they receive, minimizing distractions while staying informed. Visual project planning. Gaining a bird's-eye view. Visualizing project timelines and progress is crucial for effective planning and risk management. Wrike offers several powerful visual tools. Gantt charts. These interactive charts provide a clear visual representation of the project schedule, showing tasks, their durations, dependencies, and milestones along a timeline. Gantt charts in Wrike are typically dynamic, allowing you to adjust task durations and dependencies directly within the chart, which automatically updates the overall schedule. Kanban boards. For teams that follow agile methodologies, Wrike offers customizable Kanban boards. These visual workflows display tasks as cards moving through different stages, e.g., backlog, in progress, done. Kanban boards provide a clear overview of the work in progress and help identify potential bottlenecks. Calendar view. The calendar view provides a chronological perspective on tasks and deadlines, making it easy to see upcoming milestones and manage team workload over time. This is particularly useful for planning sprints or managing recurring tasks. Workload charts. These charts offer insights into team member capacity and workload distribution. By visualizing who is overloaded and who has available bandwidth, project managers can make informed decisions about resource allocation and prevent burnout. Reporting and analytics, measuring performance and identifying insights. Understanding project performance is essential for continuous improvement. Wrike provides robust reporting and analytics features. Customizable reports. You can create a wide range of reports based on various project data, such as task completion rates, time spent on tasks, resource utilization, and project progress. These reports can be tailored to specific needs and provide valuable insights into project performance. Dashboards. Wrike allows you to create personalized dashboards that display key project metrics and visualizations in one central location.